Hello and welcome to this introduction to FilmMaker. FilmMaker is a new feature-rich software product that's been developed by CAD Technology Corporation specifically for the screen printing industry. It enables the user to take full advantage of variable dot technology that's found in some printers. In this session we're going to take a peek at how simple it is to prepare and send your images from Photoshop to FilmMaker's VPM interface and then output to an Epson 4880 that's been set up with the FilmMaker ink system. Now, this has 4 extra black channels to enable the production of film sets with a much greater density. Okay, so let's get started in Photoshop then. Here's the job I need to create my film separations for. Now FilmMaker can just as easily handle spot color separations as well as 4 color process jobs. In this example my design is made up of several spot colors. If I click on the channels tab in the layer palette, it's clearer to see the spot colors that make up this job. Okay, so I'm now going to go to the File menu and select Print. The Epson 4880 has been installed in the Windows control panel, and this makes it available directly from my design application. It's also the key to it being able to send jobs direct to the Visual Production Manager without using hot folders. Now, because the Visual Production Manager has been set up already with a suitable print mode, we don't need to change that from this interface. Once the job has been sent to VPM for printing, we can access this information from there and change the print mode if necessary. I can now move through the various options in Photoshop and set up the job as needed. Under Output, I can select any of these boxes to enable settings such as reg marks and labels. Under the Screen menu, for each colour it's possible to adjust the frequency, angle and dot shape. Now once happy with my settings, it's simply a case of clicking Print. This will then automatically launch FilmMaker and you will see your job arrive in the queue. From here it can be sent to your chosen printer. Okay, so this is the VPM interface and you can see my job has now arrived in the queue. From here it can be sent to the printer. Now I have the queue set up to process multiple page jobs as an overlay. So whilst here in the preview you can see just one separation, this drop down lets me select any of the pages within the job, and the page view option displays a nice view of all pages within the job. If you've not set these options in your design application, then crop marks, inverting and mirroring can all be controlled within FilmMaker. By right clicking on the job and selecting properties, I can access the print mode and change it if needed. Now once I'm happy with my settings, I simply need to right click and select Print. FilmMaker will then rip the file and output it to my chosen device. Once the job is complete, it will be placed in the archive queue, and from here the job can be discarded or saved for future use using the archiving feature. FilmMaker from CAD is the simple rip solution that will enable the production of high quality film separations from your chosen design interface. Check out our other tutorials on this fantastic new product and then talk to your CAD dealer to find out more.